Welcome. In front of me is an Apple Watch Ultra, and today I'll be going over this specific strap that I can see right here. Just a quick application and see how it looks like and feels like on the wrist. Now I'll be doing a bunch of other ones, so if you're interested in some other one, different style maybe, then you can check it out. I will have basically an entire lineup of different ones. So as an example, I already did like the metal one already and a couple additional ones, which honestly are on the same kind of style as this one, but just different flavors. So this one that I'll be checking out is more a rainbow color, probably the more unique looking one, outside of like two additional ones that I have laying on the side. But in any case, let's just get in here. This is a Velcro strap, which means it should fit on basically anybody's wrist. So let's take that up and apply these. Now I'll be honest, this rainbow strap doesn't really fit all that well with this kind of style of a watch. It's a little bit more premium looking and more professional, let's call it that. So having such a strap, at least I feel like it doesn't really fit too well with this watch. But that being said, the strap itself, like all the other Velcro ones, are pretty nice and comfortable. I personally like them just because they're soft. So when you put them on, I do this. Number one, it fits over my wrist, which is absolutely tiny, without any kind of problem. So because it's Velcro, it can stick at any point, and I can have whatever wrist size I have, and I don't need to change anything. I'm just gonna plop it, tighten it, and voila, I'm good to go. Now, with that being said, Velcro is nice in this aspect that I can just kind of plop it on at any point and it will stick. But because it's Velcro, it's gonna wear out over time, as almost any Velcro does. And if you tend to take on and off your watch quite often, this will probably wear out this area right here where it's sticking. And after some time of using this strap, the Velcro won't be actually sticking all that well to the material, therefore it might come undone and the watch might slip off your wrist. So this is something to keep in mind with any kind of Velcro strap. But in other case, it does feel nice on the wrist, at least for me. I have a very small wrist, so having something that is nice, soft, and adjustable to my wrist is actually pretty nice. And this basically goes for any other Velcro straps, for instance, like this one as well. It's identical, just fully black. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.